From the mountains to the rivers to the oceans, this sound is not just water flowing, it is life in motion. Every drop you hear has a story of balance, of nature, of survival. But today, that story is changing. Rivers are shrinking, glaciers are melting, water, the very essence of life, is under threat. Now pause and listen again. This isn't just a relaxing sound, it's a reminder that sustainability is not a choice, it's a responsibility. At SustainX Global, we believe the future is green, and every action, no matter how small, creates ripples of change. Just like this water, let's protect it, let's respect it, let's sustain it, because the future flows from what we do today. Thank you so much.